Welcome back to Sonoran Living Live. If you or a loved one has received that terrible news and gotten a cancer diagnosis, you know it's a very tough day. But there is one treatment center in the Valley like no other in the country, giving patients new hope. It's called Phoenix Cyberknife, and here to tell us more about it is radiation oncologist Dr. John Kressel. Thank you so much. Welcome back. We love it when you're here because this really is revolutionary. It is new in the industry, and so many people have questions. What is Cyberknife?
Well, myself and my group are radiation oncologists, so we specialize in treating patients with radiation therapy. And we felt that there was a need for the most advanced form, which is Phoenix Cyberknife. It's a form of radiosurgery, which is much more precise, delivers the radiation therapy in a way that we can deliver higher doses, better cure rates, and do it more safely with less side effects. So Phoenix Cyberknife has the Cyberknife, the TrueBeam. In addition to all of the standard ordinary radiation therapy, it's the most advanced center in Phoenix as well as the Southwest for radiation therapy.
And so many people say, you hear this story time and time again, when the doctor walks in and say you have, right after that, everything goes, they go blank. They don't hear anything else after that. So a lot of times treatments becomes a topic that comes up later down the line. And how are you guys, what kind of patients do you guys see, and who makes a good candidate?
Well, that's something that we're working very hard with because it is so new. Even community physicians aren't even sure if we can benefit their patients. So we've made ourselves available by, to the physicians as well as, to patients to call the center. We can review your records and see if you are a candidate. But very simply, basically any patient with a cancer diagnosis may benefit from radiation therapy and Cyberknife treatment. Just last month, we reported our results on pancreas cancer at the International Meeting for Radiosurgery. So that information is so new that not everybody knows about it.
Are there side effects to Cyberknife treatments?
Just as in any treatment, there are side effects, and this is radiation therapy. But again, being able to deliver the treatment with radiosurgery, more pinpoint, more accurate, some of the side effects can be significantly reduced or eliminated compared to ordinary radiation therapy.
And paying for something like this, so many people just, they feel like they're kind of forced into a decision because of financial reasons. Insurance, do they take care of this?
Absolutely. Insurance covers it. It's paid by Medicare. And in fact, in many instances, it's less expensive. For prostate cancer, Cyberknife treatment is half the cost of 9 weeks of IMRT or other forms of radiation therapy.
I want you to go back, Dr. Kressel, to you can call in. You were saying that patients can actually call you. You don't actually have to come in if you want to see whether you would be a good candidate for this.
Absolutely. We want to make sure that we make ourselves available to people who could benefit from this. So we're happy to review medical records or talk to the patients individually. You'll talk to myself or one of the other physicians to see if you are a candidate kind of by phone before we make a formal appointment for a consult. So it's kind of a free review.
A free review, and you're not only helping the patient, but even doctors are calling, right, to see about recommending this.
Absolutely. I mean, we're getting contacted daily by physicians who are learning about this, and then once they understand its true benefits, starting to see a lot of their patients and help them out.
All right. Well, Dr. Kressel, we appreciate that. And if you have any questions for Phoenix Cyberknife and Radiation Oncology Center, you can email them at info@pcroc.com. Dr. Kressel will be answering some viewer questions a little bit later in our show today, and they're located at 4611 East Shea Boulevard. That is in Phoenix. Give them a call at 602-441-3845 or visit them online at phoenixcyberknifecenter.com. We'll see you in just a bit.